Morning dear children, today we are going to make piggy bank. For this you can take any empty carton or books. You can take empty carton of this color, hair color, or I have taken this empty container of pickle, or this type of container you can use. It is a container of a watch. So, and what else you need is plain paper or colored paper. You can cover this container or this empty carton with plain paper or printed paper or this shining paper. Okay, I am going to cover this container with this green paper. Okay, first of all, what will we do? We'll put this container on this sheet and we'll mark its length. Okay, in this way we will mark its length. Here we will mark it, we'll move it and put another mark, and in this way mark its length. We'll fold it and cut the required paper. In this way we will cut the required paper. Okay, with the help of scissors we will cut the paper. We'll cut a paper for its top and bottom. We'll draw circle using pen and paper, and we'll cut two papers. We'll just double it and cut two papers. Okay, first of all we'll cut one paper, and in the same way we'll cut a round shaped paper for bottom. Okay, before pasting we'll put a slit at the top. For putting coins we'll make a slit, and you will take help of your mother or your elder sister or brother to make this slit, because this scissors or this knife is very sharp. Now this is the slit for putting coins. Now we will cover it with this paper, this curved surface with this rectangular paper, and top and bottom with this circular paper. Before pasting, what will we do? We'll mark this slit on this paper also. Okay, here. Now we'll cut this paper also. We'll cut this slit. Now we will paste this paper on the curved surface with the help of Fevicol. We can spread it using our finger. Spread the Fevicol on the surface. Now cover it with this green paper. This way we will paste it and press it gently. Wait for 2 minutes. Now the paper has pasted. Now what will we do? We'll cut two eyes. So I have cut two circles for eyes, and in between it we'll mark black dot. Okay, and this way we'll mark black dot, and I have cut one strip of black color and one tooth. Okay, now I will paste it on this container. Okay, this is the face. Okay, paste it on the container. So I have pasted eyes and face of this monster, and now I will make eyebrows using any colored paper. Okay, now the face of monster is ready. Now we will paste this type of strips. You can paste wool also, okay, to make its hair. Now I've pasted its hair. Now I will cover it with this paper. Okay, using Fevicol I will paste this paper also. Now our piggy bank is ready. Okay, now you can decorate it using your tape, colored tape, or you can decorate it using stars or flowers also, ready-made stickers. Okay, now your piggy bank is ready. I have used plain paper to make this piggy bank. Now I have made one more piggy bank using this box and colored paper. Okay, so this is the piggy bank which I have made using printed paper. So you have two piggy banks, one made with plain paper and another with printed paper. You can use your own creativity to make this piggy bank. Thank you.